Unity UFK04 brake controller for industrial automation applications. It is designed to be used by considering its dynamic structure. Thanks to this design, it can be easily mounted inside the panel with its rail-type structure can be done. Precise and fast readings, thanks to microprocessor-based control, is a brake device. The product outputs a PWM brake between 0 and 24 volts, PLC, external control, or a 10K potentiometer to the analog input of the device, can be connected, and the system can be controlled. Used to control the flow of winding and unwinding materials. It is used in control applications of PLC or similar industrial devices. Filling, packing and packaging lines, automotive and machinery, production and technological lines. Our box size dimensions are 70 by 85 by 58 with rail mount. We do the connections of the UFK04 device from the green socket on it. The device works with 24-volt DC voltage. We make the energy connection of the device from 24-volt G&D pins. We give 24 volts to the start end so that the device can start. We connect two ends of the brake to the relevant pins of the green socket that write out. We connect the PLC connection of the device from the analog input and G&D pins. If we are going to control the device not on the PLC but directly manual brake control, we connect a multi-turn pot to the place that says min, middle, max and make manual control. Do not forget to visit our website to examine our other products.